welcome back. Today is my first real life video and I'm so excited to share it with you. Today we're going to be talking about our birds. We have some birds outside, some birds inside, but we mainly have our birds inside. Let's get started. First up we have this pretty bird. She's probably one of our first birds that we got. She's our first bird, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, she's the first bird that we've got. She's aggressive sometimes if you show her your hand, but she's mainly loving and caring. She's a cockatiel, and cockatiels are very similar to heroes. And if you don't know what a hero is, this is Joey. He is a hero. Heroes, yeah. Him and Lily are best friends. They'll probably mate one day. And Joey's my bird. Lily was Mum's bird. And Joey's a pretty nice bird. She's just a bit unsettled. She's probably the bird that's been more terrorized. We go from my Nan and Pop. And Nan and Pop's other Reros were attacking the little guy, so he's probably very scared right now. So yeah. Next we have Kiwi, Mum's budgie. Yes, budgies are really cute. I love them. Oh, there she goes. And her name is Kiwi because she's green. And you might be seeing her in some of our videos flying around. I mean him. And yeah. He's pretty. He's pretty nice. And if you get a budgie, I would prefer you get the breeder budgie, which is the budgie that Kiwi is, because they get used to you much easier if you don't want to spend like years or months training them. Yeah, I would get a budgie because they're pretty easy to tame more than other birds. Next we have. I don't have to catch her, but yeah, she's pretty good. She hasn't had her wings clipped yet. Her name is Snow. Ooh, up she goes. Yeah, she's our other breeder budgie, and we got her not too long ago. Yeah, and she's doing pretty good. It's just that she flies away a lot, but it's fine. Because usually she just flies away just to stretch her wings. Yes, the reason they've been flying back to this, we made this for her, this playground, and they love it. So yeah. Next we have the best behaved budgie that we have, Evie. She's my little budgie, and I trained her all by myself. Ooh. Evie is very territorial, and he's a very loving bird, and he does not like to be picked up. So yeah, he's one of our most well-trained birds, and he does not like being away from his playground. If I take him out and I lay down with him, whee, flies straight back to the playground. Next we have
Oops. Poor Evie.
Evie's pretty young, and Evie's pretty young, but she's not our youngest bird. But she is still pretty young. Next we have Sunshine. She's also well behaved, but not as well behaved as Evie. And she's like really cute. When we first got her, she was like nice and calm, but when my brother grabbed him to get her out of the cage, yes, I also got him from Pop. She got very unsettled. She got really unsettled, so she's frightened now. So, yeah, she's pretty young. She is the sister of Evie, and I'm pretty sure Sunshine is younger than Evie. Next we have
Oi.
Next we have our newest bird, which is Avocado. Oh, bye Avocado. Yeah, she's a beautiful aqua color. She flies around a lot. And Avocado is our newest bird. We just got her yesterday, and she's also our youngest bird. And we don't know her gender yet because she's pretty young. We don't, because the budgie's genders, you know those bit where the nostrils are? Yeah, that changes color depending if they are a boy or a girl. But at the moment she's non-binary, which means she doesn't have a gender yet. We have no idea what Avocado's gender is, so I'll tell you guys later about that. And Avocado's my favorite so far, but she's the most least behaved out of my budgies. So yeah, Avocado, she's not that social. If we take her out, she'll probably like fly away like she just did earlier. And yeah. The birds are allowed to do whatever they want as long as they don't get out of the house. They can play on that playground that we made. They can just walk around the house, fly around. They can really do whatever they want. And the cages, they don't spend much time in their cages now. And here's some things to never do to your bird. Never punish them, because that will actually end up making them do it more. Even if they do something bad. Always talk to them. Now it seems like it wouldn't help, but it really does. Leave your hand in the cage for exactly 5 to 10 minutes. That way they'll get used to your presence. Always spend time with your bird every single day. And if you get a cockatoo, if you get a cockatiel or Rero, they're not the type of bird to stay in their cage all the time. So you have to take them out every now and again. And also, never ever grab your bird. That'll just make them lose trust in you. We also have a few more birds in here, but we will share them in the next video. Bye! Thank you for watching. Bye, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Your Alf always watching over you.
Oh, that is Jess's first video and she do her best to try to talk. Thank you for everyone for watching. Please subscribe and follow us on YouTube and we will show you more about our bird. Bye bye.